I've worked in the family court as a Mackenzie friend for 18 years now, and I've been involved in hundreds, if not thousands, of cases over those years. I've seen what works and what doesn't work, and I'm going to tell you 5 of the biggest mistakes I see people making in court. The first one is getting distracted by allegations. Look, somebody who's making false allegations can always make new allegations, and you can spend your entire hearing, your entire case rebutting those allegations. This will mean you've got less time talking about what's in the best interest of your kids, and the judge will see 2 people who are just fighting each other. He or she's eyes will glaze over as you do that. The next one is not knowing what they want. If you're the sort of person who says, I want this if possible, or I want custody, because there's no such thing, or I don't know what I want, don't be surprised the court doesn't give you something you're not happy with. Be clear about what you want, and also make sure that the court can actually order it. The next one is they're more focused on what should happen, in inverted commas, rather than what will happen. They'll argue on the principle. They'll talk about what's fair, and they will also talk about what the law says. Now look, of course the law matters, but in reality often there's a different upshot than what should happen. It could also be they interpret the law in a way that suits themselves and are upset when it doesn't go the way they want to. The next one is they're out to punish their ex. The family court is not in existence to put your ex in prison, to fine your ex, or to make them to do community service. If you're out to do that, you're going to appear vengeful. And to make things worse, your ex's solicitor is going to make sure the judge hears that you're out to punish your ex and you're not interested in the best interest of the kids. And while you're arguing that you're just seeking imprisonment, a fine, or community service for your ex because they're breaking a court order, the court has now got 2 people who aren't child focused. Congratulations, you now look as bad as your ex. Finally, you're out to fight everyone. Your ex's solicitor, the judge, Kafkas, absolutely everyone. Even that idiot who does TikToks telling you what you're doing wrong. The worst thing about this, you're going to ignore all of this advice. You're going to go your own sweet way. You're going to get the result that I'm predicting you're going to get. And then you're going to be shocked and saying how awful the court is on TikTok. Consider yourself warned.